Now, sir, there is a follow-up question. The first part, which you just answered, the question is, what advice would you give to a smart-driven individual about the real world, and what advice to ignore? So, you gave about the real world, the advice they should follow. What advice to ignore?
It's so I'll just tell you, I'll just go back and say the advice. My advice to myself is very simple, and that's a rule that we have followed in my house. My father followed it. I don't know whether my grandfather followed it, but my father did. We did it in our house, and I expect my son to do it. And that advice is very simple. Every day be better than what you were yesterday, and tomorrow be better than what you were today.
Wow, great.
Remember, whether you are a Sachin Tendulkar, Roger Federer, any one of these guys, right? Elite professional. They don't become elite by spurts, by doing things in spurts. It is consistency.
Mhm.
Ronaldo, Messi, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, they practice every day, right? And if you take Sachin or Virat, in our case, their entire mantra is today I'll be better than yesterday and tomorrow I'll be better than what I am today. And this is what is called law of compounding. When you start following this, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that after 3 days you will suddenly be filled with knowledge, inspiration. Of course not. It is like you start going to the gym. At the end of the first week, body thodi na banega. After second month, bhi kuch nahi banega. But after 6 months, you will see the difference, no? And this can only come when you are consistent and persistent and dedicated, right? So this is the first principle. The second principle, what I would request you is, it's the even more important thing, what you should not do. And there are three things, my friend, you should not run after. But unfortunately, yaar, janta usi ke piche bhagti hai. One is money, one is beauty, one is popularity. So can I repeat it, my friend? Iske
Yes,
piche tu mat bhagna, right?
sure,
So
sir.
I teach at IIM, and I tell these students, hey, listen, guys, don't run after three things:
Hmm.
money, beauty, popularity. They're all external to you. They are pleasures. I am here. This is pleasure. Pleasure is momentary. They never give you happiness and joy. Joy and happiness is inside. So when you chase money, when you chase beauty, when you chase popularity, you are always going to be unhappy, because somebody will be more beautiful than you, someone will earn more than you, somebody will be more popular than you. So why run after that? So then the next question is, what should I run after? Yeah, run after three things. First, every day add value to yourself. Like I said,
Be
the
better
first
than
thing.
yesterday.
Yeah. Second thing, this is the most important thing that you could ever do in your life, which I referred to first time. Always add value to others. Always. And the third thing, and which is the most important thing, is be always in the company of people better than you. You
Hmm.
know why?
Why, sir?
Heat flows from hot to cold. So I am the cold person. I'm always in company of people better than me. तो उनका knowledge ना मेरे पास आता है, right? और जब मैं उनके कंपनी में रहता हूँ ना, तो बोलता नहीं हूँ, सुनता हूँ. So I'll just give you one thing.
Hmm.
If you go to Harvard, not the 2 year program, the advanced
Hmm.
management program,
Hmm.
where almost 800 people from all over the world come.
Hmm.
So the first slide, Aditya, that they put up there, the first slide, and this
Hmm.
happens regularly. The first slide that they put up there, at least in this particular case, I'm saying, was the picture of a man, just
Hmm.
the picture of a man on, on as a PPT. And the faculty, the professor asks 800 CEOs, powerful people from all over the world, what do you see?
Hmm.
Somebody said, I see a face, hair, man, whatever they said. And then the professor said, you know what? Look at this picture very carefully. It shows the picture of a man who has one mouth and 2 ears. It is to tell you that you should speak less and listen more. Right? Follow the law of nature. ये एक, ये दो, बोलो कम, सुनो ज्यादा. Right? This is what they taught in Harvard. So ये हम लोग को follow करना चाहिए. Particularly when you are in the company of people better than you, चुप रहो, सुनो, absorb करो, उनसे question पूछो और उनका knowledge अपने अंदर absorb करके internalize करो. फिर अपने buddy को बोलो, यार ये मैंने सीखा. Is it good? वो बोलेगा यार ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So teaching is the best form of learning.
Wow, sir. Wow, that's really strong. So, sir, but how would you encourage? Because we are so much tempted in the today's social media race, where it is more of a popularity contest. We feel left out if we do not check a notification. If we are not on the latest platform, there is this temptation, sir. So, what would you advise? Because it takes a lot of discipline, sir.
Aditya, my friend, all these technology companies, whether it is whether Amazon, whether this company, right, the smartphone guy, or whether it is Uber or Tesla, they are designed to make these products addictive. For example, let's take this here. I'm just let me get this guy out, right? Where is it? Let me get Facebook, right? I'm just giving you Facebook as an example, right? Here, Facebook, I keep scrolling down. Now, what have we learned when we were children? We were learned that, oh, forget it, I'm not plugging my book. This is a notebook, right? It has a beginning and it has an end. शुरू होता है और खत्म होता है, तो हम लोगों को पता है it starts and it ends somewhere. This is what we are conditioned. Now comes Facebook. I start on Facebook and I keep on scrolling down. It doesn't end. I don't know where to stop and I'm addicted. All these technology, I mean, not all, technology companies are designing products that are designed to make you addictive. And you're falling for it. And I can give you any number of examples. Say, for example, e-commerce sites make you buy things which you don't require. And if you wish, I can share that with you. So if you say, of course, they are designed that way, therefore they have succeeded, and you are saying that I'm addicted to it or I feel left out, that is the reason why it is designed that way. And you should not fall victim to these things. Haven't we been through our education? Haven't we been told that information that comes here should process? This is what is our CPU. Then why aren't we using it? Why are we falling for somebody else's game?
Agree, sir.